everyone, welcome back to Valerine's Home Design and Decor. If you've never been here before, welcome. Now in the last lesson, I looked at how you can easily calculate how much paint you will need for your painting project. In this video, I will look at 10 things that you need to know before you even decide on the color of the paint that you want to buy for your project. Number one is the base of the paint. Do you want oil-based or do you want water-based paint? Number two, decide on your brand. Now there are a myriad of brands out there for paint. Especially if it's your first painting project, do a little research. You can always find reviews online to see what people says about the particular brand of paint that you might be considering. And I have warranty at number 10, but I'll just stick it right up here by the brand. When you're checking out the brands, check out warranty. Number 3, interior or exterior. You would not want to use your interior paint on the outside of your home. So when you go to buy your paint, check to make sure if you're doing an exterior project, the paint says exterior grade paint, because exterior grade paint have certain components mixed into them that makes them more hardy, more resistant to, like, for example, weather conditions, to cracking and such. Exterior paint should never be used inside because there might be components in that exterior paint that can be toxic on the inside. Fourth thing you want to look at is the space. When we talk about the space, we're talking about, is it going to be a living room, a bedroom, or even more so, is it going to be like a kid's bedroom, a bathroom, a kitchen? Because there are different paints that are made for different situations. If you're going to do like a kitchen, for example, or a bathroom, you can buy paint that specifically tells you that it is for kitchen and bath. And that brings me to number 5, the finish. Now there are generally 5 different finishes. Flat, which is your matte, eggshell, number 3, semi-gloss, high gloss, and number 5, satin. They have different sheens, so you want to be careful what sheen you choose to go in which space. I will do a video that I'll explain to you why you should use certain sheens on certain surfaces or in certain spaces, but that's coming out. Watch out for it. Number 6 is your coverage. Now coverage suggests the amount of space you have to cover. However, another thing you need to look at in regards to coverage is, am I going to need like 2 coats or even 3 coats? Or am I going to need to buy primer with the paint? Or does the paint come with primer? Because some of them do, and generally they will say 1 coat coverage, which means that 1 coat and you're done. Number 7, applicators / application. Now your applicators are going to be what you use to apply your paint, like your rollers and your paint brushes. Now there are different bristle brushes. Some of them are synthetic, some of them are natural fibers, and so different paint will do better with different paint brushes, or even your rollers will have different grade rollers. So you want to buy your applicators based on the paint you're using and the surface that you will be painting. Also, when you talk about application, make sure of the temperature that is required to apply that paint to the surface, because there is usually a minimum temperature. It can't be too cold. If not, your paint will not perform the way it's meant to perform. Number 8 is preparation. What do I have to do to prepare to paint this wall? Do I need to use some TSP to wash the wall down if it's in the kitchen, if there is any grease on it? Am I like painting fresh drywall? Do I need to prime it first? That's what we should look at when we're talking about preparation, and that will ensure that we get best results. Number 9, drying time. Now I have here drying time / curing time. Your drying time for latex paint could be like within a few hours, up to say 6 hours. However, it's not cured when it's dry. It takes up to about 30 days before your latex paint is cured, which means that before that time it will it can easily get scuffed. Oil-based paints, on the other hand, will take up to about 12 hours to dry. However, it will take a shorter period of time to cure. It cures within 3 days. Number 10, we already looked at when we looked at the brand, the warranty. So yes, these are 10 things you want to make sure of before you buy your paint. And a lot of this information can be found on your paint cans, or you can ask the sales associate in the paint shop. Thank you guys so much for watching the videos, for liking, sharing, commenting. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider hitting that subscription button, and remember to hit the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. I'll see you in the next video.